lovely Falls gang. How are you guys today? I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are in good spirits because I know I am. I just got home from work. I had to go to work. I don't like to go to work. That bubble went up my nose. Excuse me. So, I just got home. I'm making this beautiful, wonderful, marvelous vegan pizza. It's all vegan. You can get it at Walmart. You can get it at a health food store. I don't know. You can get it wherever the fuck you want to get it as long as they have it. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. I like to shake my titties. My titties. Just kidding. I don't like to shake my titties. I just like to clown a lot. I got a few dishes to do before I go to bed. I gotta take a shower. I gotta take my meds. I gotta get some sleep because I need to look beautiful tomorrow. Gotta rest up. I hope you guys are taking your vitamins. I hope you guys are taking your vitamin C. Hope you guys are being safe at home and staying the fuck away from everybody. Yeah! I did a good one. That was so awesome. Ah! I thought my phone almost fell in the water. I've had accidents like that. Plenty of accidents. Sorry guys, I'm preparing breakfast for tomorrow. I'm making these hash browns. Because you know my fat ass likes to eat hash browns. Totally kidding. I don't even like to eat hash browns. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I'm in the mood, sometimes I'm not. But what else do you eat for breakfast? I don't know. You guys like these leggings? I have these leggings on that I got at Walmart. You guys see? Ew, girl. Look at them toes. Look at them toes. Ooh, girl. Look at that hips. Can you guys see my booty? Nah! Anyways, that's a baby fart. I took a massive dookie at work. It's TMI. TMI. It's normal shit. Unless you don't shit, then you're not human. I'm human. This right here. Hey, I talk. My name is Fats Belly. I should do like, would you guys watch if I did like, a talking tummy thing? Like, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at all this fat. I'm so embarrassed now. I just squeezed my fats on YouTube in front of a bunch of people. I don't want to show myself now. I don't want to show myself now. Just kidding. Just kidding. Alright. So guys. What'd you guys do today, huh? What'd you guys eat today? Did you guys fart today? Did you guys do anything exciting in your homes? Because I don't want to hear. I've been going out. I've been doing things. Don't go out. Stay in your house. Stay away from everybody. Nah. Guys, something is seriously wrong with me. Like, I just don't feel like myself. Like, listen, I can't even fart. I mean, I farted, but I farted, but it's so silent. And it's not deadly. Nah. I could burp, though. Because I'm drinking my Perrier water. You guys should drink mineral water. It's good for you. Like I said before. I've been drinking this shit since I was a little fucking kid. I was in a grocery store one day with my mom. And I said, hey, what's that? Is that alcohol? Is that wine? Can I drink some of this? So I looked at the label. And then I started drinking it. And I'm like, this is mineral water. For some odd reason, I just love it. I don't know why. It has no fucking taste at all. It tastes like Alka-Seltzer. It just tastes like bubbly with fizz. I have lemon, but I haven't been using it. I was supposed to be drinking lemon water. I've been drinking my protein. I've been drinking my protein powder every day. My protein powder. Look at my butt, guys. Look at my butt. Hello, boots. Hey. Guys, I wish I could travel right now. Like, I wish all this shit wasn't going on. Fuck up everything. Fucking stupid. I know we have no control over this. My prayers are with you and everybody. It's just fucking stupid how all this shit had to happen all at once. And now we're like restricted and limited to what we do and what we say and where we can go. I always wanted to go to Italy. I always wanted to go to Italy. I always wanted to go to Spain. I want to go to Greece. I want to go to the UK and I can't even fucking travel. I can't even go to Florida if I wanted to, and I want to fucking go to Florida and what? Look at Versace. What is what I'm telling you? The Versace mansion. You know? I want to go see that. Now I have to fucking wait. Whew. Well. My nails feel. My nails. Can you guys see my nails? You guys see my nails? Look, if I lift this up, you guys can see it over my breath. I'm just being nasty. Guys, I got some really good videos. I got some funny videos coming soon. I hope you guys stay tuned because you guys are gonna love these. You're gonna die when you see these videos. You're gonna die when you see these videos. I'm just kidding. Just stop. Be appropriate. Be appropriate. No. You guys like this. Be appropriate. I'm just kidding. Anyways. You guys, I need to go and fucking take a shower and wash my hot sweaty ass and go fucking clean the booty crumbs from my bungholio. Yeah, I need to go take my fucking medication and take my fucking fat ass to bed. Oh my gosh. I'm not much of a multitasker. I've always tried to be. I need you guys to help me out really quick. I need your advice. For those of you that exercise and stuff, those of you that do like fitness and stuff, I need help. Like, tell me what I could do to get rid of this. Like, look at this. I feel like I just like gained a bunch of water and a bunch of fat. Okay, I'm just fat. Tell me, what is the best exercises? What is the best thing I can do to get rid of all this belly? Because I'm getting tired of it and I need to get rid of it. So give me some advice on what I can do to get rid of it. So anyways, I really hope, look at this shit. Girl, I want to get like this. I want to get like this. I want to get rid of these. I know there's exercises I can do to get rid of this shit. I'm just so fucking lazy. Just kidding. I've been doing stuff, but I haven't been doing what I'm supposed to do. My butt looks alright, right? It looks fine. I just need to get rid of like, look. When I go like this, I got little chubs right here. Hi, my name is Roly Poly. I went flying today. Look at this shit. Anyways, like, subscribe, and share my videos and retweet, okay? You guys be safe and wash your hands, okay? Giveaways at 5,000 subscribers. Tell your friends, your grandmother, your mother, everybody that you know. subscribe to Leslie Monet's channel. Then go over to my ASMR channel. Subscribe to my ASMR channel. And also, there is a there's a PayPal and a Cash App link in my description box below. If you want to send a tip, go ahead and go over there. But I know times are hard. It's hard everywhere. So things aren't going well right now. Not even for me. So anyways, guys, I love you guys so much. Keep me in my prayers. Keep me in your prayers. And let's go ahead and make it to 5,000 subscribers. Watch my videos all the way through on this channel and my ASMR channel. So then we can get that watch time minutes in, okay? I love you so much, Waltzgang. I'm so sorry I didn't fart in this video.